Is this thing on? What's up? It's been a long time. I'm giving no explanation for why, but everything's chill. Everything's good. Everything's been good. Everything's been well. It's just been winter. But that doesn't matter. Today we're gonna go ride the motorcycle for the first time in a long time. I did actually move it the other day. It's chill. It's chill. It's just, you know, shaking the rust off a little bit, enjoying a slightly nicer day, but it's beautiful out. And I have to go pick up a prescription for this tooth that I got yanked out of my mouth, out of my face. I got an implant. I went there yesterday to pick them up, and they told me that the doctor changed something about my prescription, so they didn't give me my pain meds, which is whack. I figured if they didn't have them ready today, I would be more upset if I drove my car there and wasted that time than if I drove the motorcycle there and wasted a little bit of time and got a ride out of it. So we're gonna take the motorcycle there, and I'm just gonna kind of tell you what's been going on in life. And then you comment below and tell me what's been up with you, because I wanna know how everybody's doing. I wanna know what's new. I will respond to every single comment on this video. So if you wanna know something, or if you want me to know something, comment below. I think we're going leathers today. Like a f***ing Harley guy. Oh yeah. I might have put on a few pounds over the winter. See if she even zips up. Hold on, I'm getting a call. Oh, it's from the bank about the new. I'll tell you more. Hello? All right, we'll see you Thursday. Sounds good, thank you. We got some good news. I'm gonna keep it on the hush. I might talk about it a little bit more if I get excited on this ride, but we're ready to go. Actually, no, we're not. You should see what I'm wearing. I probably shouldn't wear these. The Walmart slides. Fine. You know, I have riding boots. I should just wear them. I should be a responsible adult and wear the riding boots. That's what I'm gonna do. Now we're stunting. These are sick. I got these, but I also got these, which are the Pando riding pants. I don't even know what ones they are. I'll link them below. Pando actually hooked your boy up, and they sent me some riding pants. They also sent me, They also sent me that leather jacket and my gloves that I'm currently wearing, which are all dope. I actually have a video on that stuff. Go watch that video. We're being an adult today. I seen him in the closet, and I'm like, it's bad luck if I don't put him on after I saw him. If I didn't see him, maybe I wouldn't have thought twice, but since I saw him, here we are. I also just realized none of my cameras are ready to go. Oh no, I usually keep it in here. I gotta go back inside. But I got my 360 camera that we're just gonna mount windscreen. Yeah, these are the gloves. Little hack, if you are doing vlog style stuff. I use these little alligator clips to hold my mic to the GoPro. I used to use rubber bands, and that actually worked too. We're getting on the road, trust. Look how stupid this looks. I've crocodile clipped it right here. It's fine, it's gonna work. I'm gonna have to go back and watch my own video to see how I used to have this mounted. Enough of this camera. We're moving over to these ones, and we're going to the store. You're not getting like a cool rollaway sequence. I'm not coming back to shut the camera off, so we'll see you on the road. Ever since I cut off all my luxurious hair, my ears get stuck trying to put my helmet on. I need a balaclava. All right, let's walk this back like a f***ing man. Tap to pay is my favorite thing. I don't even have to get off the bike. Oop. Or my pin. Oh, I fat fingered it. It just ran as credit. Cool. That works for me. Look at this. This is a... Oh no! Oh my gosh. I'm retarded. Hold on. Let me stop pumping gas. Wow, amateur hour. This is regular. This is premium. This is what goes in here. Move the nozzle. There we go. That'll last us 5 months. Alright, we have reached our destination. Alright, DRUGS acquired. I didn't bring a bag. This is a big bottle of mouthwash. What the f am I supposed to do with this? Maybe I can fit it in this pocket. Oh, that's perfect fit. Pocket was made for mouthwash. This feels illegal. Fuck, what did I do with my key? I think my key's in the mouthwash pocket. Thank you. Well, we've only had to talk to 3 people so far. Pretty good odds for bringing this bike out in public. Time to go home. Okay, hold on. I'll be responsible this time. Oh, I did buckle my helmet. Oh my gosh. I was responsible this time. Let's go that way. It's just a short ride, but I'm having a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying my time out here. It's such a nice day. They didn't have my shit ready again. It's been over a day since they told me it was gonna be ready, and they didn't have it ready when I got there. They had to type some cheat codes into their system. These Harley guys, they love me because they think I'm a woman because of my feminine bike. Whatever keeps me from getting left hanging, I'll take it. Put your fingers down if you're gay. Haha, got his ass. Well, I guess I got myself too. Sometimes I have urges to break the law. This is not one of those times. I'm in no rush and I'm just chilling. However, I do wish there was no cars in front of me and I was going a little faster, but this feels good. This feels right. I feel like I'm where I'm supposed to be. I think I'm back. I feel like I'm back, you know? This is my year. We're gonna buy a new bike this month, get so much motivation to film as many fun, entertaining motorcycle content videos as possible, and then fall off the face of the earth in a year. But we're gonna have fun doing it, and that's all that matters. Hey, quick question: do you guys brake more with your rear brake or your front brake? I really like the rear brake idea. I know a lot of people are heavy on the front brake. I'm a little bit more 70-30, favoring the back brake, but I came from a BMX background, and like, I know what the front brake can do. You know, for me, it also depends. Like sport bikes, I'm usually more heavy on the back brakes. Big heavy cruisers, like, dude, I'll be 100% on the front brake. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. I'm a piece of shit. I need a good thumbnail. I need this thing a little more upright. I gotta get a good thumbnail. Stay with me, all right? Or we go fast enough to do a fucking no-hander, and we take a screen grab out of it. Turn the thing off, and then we'll go like this. We're gonna be like this. All right. Oh, there's a bumblebee. Get away from my garage. 900 more miles still empty on this too. What a trip. What a trip. You know, I would go all the way over there, and I would click that button on that camera, and I would do a cinematic me wheeling the bike in. But you guys don't pay to watch this shit. You know, this is free. So this is what you get for free, all right? I'm not doing that. Whatever, dude. I don't get enough appreciation for this. Watch this. It's going to be like perfect. It's like the garage door opened up for me on its own. Ready? Look at that. Yep. For free. No charge on the house. All right, gang, that's it. That's my head chopped off. I gotta go walk over there again. I'm just gonna slouch. I'm not walking back over there. Anyways, this was fun. I enjoyed this. And for the 300 views this is probably gonna accumulate, not worth it. I will regret this. This is a huge waste of my time. Stay tuned for the next video.